Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a table border bold in Google Docs. So if you want to make table borders bold in Google Docs, you can just follow this easy tutorial to make your table stand out with thicker borders. So first you can just go to Google Docs and open the document containing the table. Now you can just select the table and click inside the table to activate it and hover over the top left corner until a small square icon appear, this one, and click on the icon to select the entire table, or you can just go like this. Now you can just click on the border with the one with the pencil icon at the top. Sorry, this one, click on this add so you can just like right click and find the table properties options, and in here you can click on the table. This is for the layout table. Let's see if okay, this one, the color options, you can just here adjust this one, the cell background color. If you want to make it bolder, you can just here choose the bigger size, let's say 3, like this. As you guys can see now, the border has a bold thick borders in Google Docs. You can also change the color if you want to, just like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.